Hi, I'm Laura, the founder of Bottiful Home, where we offer refillable shower and kitchen bottles to make your life more organized and easier. So today I'm coming to you with a new product announcement. The new product that I'm going to be offering in a few weeks is a wire shower shelf that attaches to your shower wall using an adhesive strip. So the only color that I'm starting out offering is going to be this sort of chrome. It's more of a brushed look to the chrome. And if you're hearing all of that packaging, I apologize. I have to get the adhesive strip out here to show you. So there's going to be two shelves in the package. There's this one and this one, the exact same shape, but one of them is slightly smaller so that it can fit inside the other one for shipping purposes. But the exciting part about these is I already have one and I've owned it for about 6 months now and I really love it. I actually place it in my daughter's shower, and what I'll do after I'm done showing you this is I'll walk you in there and show you exactly why I needed this for her shower and why it came in so handy. But this is the adhesive strip that you'll attach to your wall, and you can see it has these little hooks on it. So there's an adhesive on the back, and there are instructions in the box on how to make sure this adheres to your wall. You can adhere this to any shower wall, any tile wall, and not drywall. We recommend you don't attach it to drywall, but you can use these in the kitchen as well if you want to attach it to your tile backsplash or something like over your stove. But this is a very good, basically what happens is you adhere this part to your wall and then you will hook this wire on there, and then this holds it on your wall. And this shelf, each shelf holds up to 10 pounds, which is a really good weight. A gallon of milk weighs about 8 pounds. So I'm pretty sure you're not going to have anything too much heavier than that on one of these. The other really great thing about it is these are actually wide enough from end to end to hold even my wide mouth bottles, which are 3.5 inches in diameter. So this is like the interior dimension is actually more than the 3.5 inches. It fits without it scratching or touching the edges. Which is really wonderful. And there's nothing on here for the goo and the gunk to build up on. It's just 304 stainless steel, which is the most rust-proof stainless steel that you can actually get. So you're getting these hooks that go on the edges of, so you can see it just slides on down there. And so you can put them anywhere you want. So if you want to put like two right next to each other, and you can hang your razor on it, or you can put one over here to hang your loofah or your washcloth, and then two down here and put on your razor. What's wonderful about this particular product is that the adhesive strip is extremely strong. I've been using it in my daughter's shower for 6 months. It's never shown any indication that it'll ever come off on its own, and we do put full-size bottles on hers, and so that leads me to explaining why I needed it for her shower. I don't actually have one of these in mine because I have plenty of storage in my shower. But if you have a shower where you have either a young person or an older person who has dexterity issues or they can't reach, these are perfect for that because the adhesive strip is removable. I mean, if you wanted to, it's not re-stickable, but it is removable. So if you needed a temporary solution like I did, my daughter is not quite tall enough to reach the built-in shower shelves that are in her shower. So I needed something that was lower so she could reach her shampoo and, soaps and washcloths and stuff. And I'll show you how I have that set up for her. And also if you have an older person who showers and they need to sit while they shower, you might not have shower nooks or shower shelves that are within reach for them either. And then the other thing was you could always put bottles around the edge of the bathtub. And that is honestly what I have done for my daughter for the first 8 years of her life, which was fine when she was a baby. But now that she's older and there's shampoo, there's conditioner, and there's these other products that, you know, most adults will need, you know, bottles sitting on the edge of your tub, you know, will gain moisture and potentially mold, and you get those little rings, soap rings, from when they let the soap drip down the bottles, and then it's a real pain to have to clean them after that. So these shelves, these new wire shelves are great because everything just drips through just like it would if it was on your shower shelf. And if there is some that drips down onto the tub, it's easier to see and just clean and wipe off, as opposed to like have to lift all the bottles and wipe around under them. So that's the reason why I have these, and I just think they're perfect because they fit all the Bottiful Home bottles on them. And you may have a shower where it has a really nice nook built in, but it just doesn't hold everything you need for both you and the other person who uses your shower. Or, you know, if it's the kids' showers, if you have more than one child, you know, they might like different products and they have to share a shower. So you might need more storage space that's not cluttering up all of the actual tub surfaces. So I think it is a really great product. It has held up in mine, and I tested it out for 6 months because I really did not want to provide anything that wasn't, you know, really going to adhere well to the walls. Because I just don't trust adhesives that much. And if you don't, that's why I'm putting this video out, because I want to let you know this adhesive is amazing. It's not one of those pull strips from 3M. You can't just pull it and remove this from your wall, but you are able to remove it with using a hair dryer to heat it up. And you'll want to take the wire shelf off of the hook first, and then you can heat it up, and you can kind of get like a razor, you know, behind it, or your fingernail, and kind of pull it off as it heats up. And you might just need some Goo Gone to remove any residual residue off of your tiles, but it will come off. It's not going to leave any permanent marks. And, you know, I just find that to be wonderful. This thing is perfect if you need a temporary solution for shelving, or if you just don't have enough shelving in your shower area. It'll probably be available for sale on Amazon and on the website sometime between Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's a brand new product, and I would love to know what you think of it, and hopefully it'll help you out with a problem that you've been having. It sure helped me, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.